Welcome to a serene journey towards a healthier, stress-free life. Today, we delve into the world of meditation techniques for vegetarians to reduce stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety management is crucial for overall well-being, and vegetarians may face unique challenges. In this video, we explore meditation techniques that align well with the vegetarian lifestyle. Meditation is a powerful tool for combating stress and anxiety. Its magic lies in the connection between the mind and body. When stress seizes hold, it doesn't just affect our mental state, it can also wreak havoc on our physical health. So, let's dive into the world of meditation, where tranquility reigns. Deep breathing is the cornerstone of meditation. It's about inhaling peace and exhaling stress. Then there's guided meditation, a great starting point for beginners, offering a structured pathway to serenity. Mindfulness meditation takes you a step further by keeping you anchored in the present moment, a sanctuary from the chaos of life. For those who embrace the vegetarian lifestyle, the harmony of yoga and meditation aligns perfectly with their mindful approach. Mantra meditation, with its calming repetition of words or phrases, can also resonate deeply. Lastly, nature meditation allows you to draw serenity from the world around you. With regular practice, these meditation techniques can significantly reduce stress and anxiety levels. Consistency is key when it comes to meditation. Select a tranquil spot and a time of day that suits you best for your practice. Remember, it's about creating a habit. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you're investing in your mental and emotional well-being. The journey to stress-free living is inspiring and rewarding. Let's hear from some vegetarians who've transformed their lives through meditation. One saw their sleep quality improve dramatically, while another found their focus sharpened like never before. And they all share a common theme: reduced stress and anxiety. To summarize, meditation is a powerful tool for stress management, aligning perfectly with the vegetarian lifestyle. It's not just about feeling good, it's about holistic wellness. Begin your journey towards a stress-free life today. Explore these meditation techniques and discover what works best for you.